Welcome to Daily English Talk Podcast.
Improve your English step by step.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we have a very special episode.
Yes, this is a slow listening practice episode for beginners.
If you are A1 or A2 level, this is perfect for you.
We will speak slowly,
We will repeat words.
and we will help you speak English step by step.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
That's okay. Just listen, relax, and try again.
And remember, practice makes progress.
If you enjoy this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's start.
Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I open my eyes, and I feel sleepy. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up slowly.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I feel fresh and happy. I drink a glass of water. Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Wake up means you open your eyes. Repeat. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Very good. Get up is different. It means you leave your bed. Repeat. Get up. I get up at 7:10.
Stay in bed means you do not get up. Repeat. Stay in bed. I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I feel sleepy.
I drink water. I wash my face. Now speak with us. Don't stop. I wake up at 7 a.m. I feel sleepy. I get up slowly.
Excellent. You are improving already. Emily, what do you do first in the morning?
First, I wake up. Then I drink water. What about you?
I check my phone, then I get up.
Haha, that's very common. What do you do first in the morning? Nice answer. After I get up, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat a banana.
Nice. My breakfast is very quick. I eat a banana and drink coffee.
Do you eat every day?
Not always. Make breakfast means prepare food. Repeat. I make breakfast.
Sometimes means not every day. Repeat. Sometimes I sometimes eat eggs.
Always means every day. Repeat. Always, I always drink coffee.
I make breakfast.
I eat a banana.
James, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I always drink coffee in the morning
Why do you like coffee?
because it gives me energy.
That's true. I like tea more. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I like tea. I have energy. What do you eat for breakfast?
Great. Keep speaking. After breakfast, I go to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I work on my computer. I send emails and talk to people.
I stay at home and study English. I watch videos. I listen to podcasts. I practice speaking every day. Go to work equals travel to your job. Repeat. I go to work.
Send emails equals write messages. Repeat. I send emails.
Practice equals do something again and again. Repeat. I practice English.
Emily, how many hours do you study?
I study for 2 hours every day.
That's great. Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I try to speak every day.
That's very important.
I practice every day.
I go to work. Do you study English every day?
Good job. Bye.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, James. I am very good. And you?
I am a little tired today
Oh, why are you tired?
because I woke up early.
I understand. Do you need coffee?
Yes, I need coffee.
A little tired equals not very tired. Repeat. I am a little tired.
Because equals give a reason. Repeat. Because I woke up early.
Why are you tired?
Because I woke up early.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink coffee or I take a short break.
That's a good idea.
What about you?
I listen to music and relax. I am tired. I need coffee. I take a break. I relax. What do you do when you feel tired?
Excellent answer.
Wow, you did an amazing job today.
You listened, repeated, and spoke English.
Let's review. Wake up. Get up. Breakfast. Sometimes/always. Go to work. Practice. I am tired. Because.
You are improving step by step.
Keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes is great.
Now tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what do you do when you feel tired?
We want to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.